Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, and 10 Mississippi.
Random purple octopus wants to be made by us. Make the legs go everywhere. It's a sculpture of paper. The random purple octopus wants to be made by us. Let's make a sculpture of its arms. Octopi have lots of charms. The random purple octopus wants to be made by us.
This is Lisa's Random World. You're just living in it.
Like, subscribe.